Are you getting paid for the full value of your repairs? When a not-at-fault customer asks you to manage their repairs and recovery, it enables the customer to choose their repairer. It removes the need to negotiate with insurers. It enables you to complete repairs in a fair and reasonable time frame. And most importantly, you'll get paid the full value of repairs. But what happens if you don't have the time or resources to manage third-party claims? A simple solution is to use a third-party claims recovery agent. They'll be able to help arrange an independent assessment of the repairs and aid in the recovery of the repair invoice amount in a timely fashion. You can also refer your customer to an accident replacement vehicle provider, as your third-party claims agent will be able to assist in the recovery of costs for the hire period, helping make your claim simple for you whilst keeping your customer on the road whilst repairs are completed. So it's a win-win situation. To find out how you can offer third-party claims, email mark@amav.com.au.